Hi guys, it's Erica here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a really cool app that I found that you can do working from home. It's a way to make some extra income. But before I jump into this app, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like finding ways of how to make extra income. If you like finding ways of how to make money from home, and if you just like helpful resources. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to go get right into the video. So what this app is called is SudShare. And what SudShare is, it's an app where basically you can do people's laundry and get paid for it. So if you're the type of person that loves doing laundry, this app is perfect for you because like it says here, you can earn up to $20 an hour. And I'm going to just scroll down a little bit so you can just see how this process works. So you will get signed up first. And basically when you get signed up, they'll take you through a process of just getting all your information, your payment details of how you want to be paid, and just give you a little bit tutorial on how to do things, how to pick up people's items, how to drop them off, and just different laundry detergent, how to just do different things to make, to satisfy the customer. Next is once you get all signed up, and all this is like done in really just one day. It's a very simple sign up process. I believe the tutorial in general may take, well, it says it takes less than 10 minutes. I'm thinking that's just the sign up process. The tutorials and all, I think take about maybe like 15 minutes to do. But because it has video and some reading there just to walk you through the process so you can just do everything the way that they would like it done. The next thing is you accept jobs when they come available in your area. So you can accept them or you can just, reject the ones that you don't want. And basically, when you accept the job, they give you a certain amount of time to pick up the items and then, a certain amount of time, I believe a day or so to, wash people's items and get them back to them. So, but this app does a great job of taking you step by step of the process of how to do different things. And then, guess they basically getting a little bit ahead. So I'm going to go to the next section. So it tells you how to wash, dry, and fold their clothes. So like it says, you'll pick up your customer's laundry, you'll wash, dry, and fold, and return it the next day. And then you can get an instant payout for diamond substers. So I believe you have to be at a certain level to get that. And then the standard payout is 2 days for other people. So this just is an example of, a payout. And then it just goes into some other information here. So it's really cool. I think it's a really great idea. Also, if you need somebody to do your laundry, there is a separate app you can sign up to have your laundry done as well. But this is really cool. So I'm going to take you a little bit into the app. Here's the app right here, and it shows, the area that I'm in. Also, once you get registered and go through the training and everything like that, it'll show you different um, posts that you can go to where you can just read. It's basically just additional training for you and just tips and things like that. But this is like your dashboard where you can see your available orders. It'll also pop up when you have an order available. And right here, this is your active orders right here. So anything that you have currently going on. So the app is pretty much simple. Right here, you can see, your money. You can see, what people have rated you. They have the academy. You can shop for some different items. They have Facebook, and then they are also on Instagram. And then they also have where you can, if you need some help, you can get that as well. But just a really cool app, a good, nice way to make some extra income if you like washing people's clothes. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can hear other videos of how to make extra income. And go ahead and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.